Hello, dear students. Good morning. Today, we are going to study about generic medicines, misuse of medicines, tips for taking prescription medicines, and lifestyle and diseases. Generic medicines. Generic medicines are also known as general medicines. A generic drug is a pharmaceutical drug that contain the same chemical substances as a drug that was originally protected by chemical patents. Generic drugs are allowed for sale after the patent on the original drugs expires. These are manufactured and distributed without any patent. The production cost of these medicines is very low due to fewer expenses on research as their formula is readily available. There are mobile apps are also available for medicine such as Health Card and Jan Samadhan. Misuse of medicines. Misuse of medicines defined as the use of substances for purpose not consistent with the legal or medical guidelines. Sometimes, some people take the medicines without prescription of a doctor. Every medicine has some risk of side effects. Doctor take this into the account when prescribing medicines. People who misuse these drugs may not understand the risk. The medicine may not be safe for them, especially at a higher doses or when taken with the other medicines. Overdose of a painkillers may damage the nervous system, excretory system, liver. Overdose of antibiotics may lead to the nausea, stomachache, dysentery, rash, and white patches on the tongue. Probably the most common risk of a prescription drug abuse is addiction. People who abuse medicines can become addicted as easily as if they were taking street drugs. That is one reason most doctors won't renew a prescription unless they see a patient. They want to examine the patient to make sure he or she is not getting addicted. Tips for taking prescription medicine. If doctor prescribes a pain medicine or stimulant, follow the directions exactly. Also be sure. Keep all doctor's appointments. Your doctor will want you to visit often, so he or she can see how well the medicines is working for you and adjust the dose or change the medication as needed. Make a note of effects the drugs has on your body and emotions, especially in the first few days as your body gets used it. Tell your doctors about these. Keep any information your pharmacist gives you about any drugs or activities you should clear while taking your prescription. Never increase or decrease the dose of your medicine without checking with your doctors. Finally, never use someone else's prescription and don't allow anyone to use yours. Not only you are putting other at risk, but you could suffer too. Pharmacists may be stopped from refilling a prescription if a medicine has used up before. It should be. And if you are found in giving a medicine to someone else, it is considered as a crime and you could find yourself in a court. Lifestyle and diseases. Lifestyle include the daily routine and the type of food. Nowadays, habits like staying in a bed till late morning and going to bed late in the night, frequent changes in the meal timing, lack of physical exercise, consumption of junk food, etc. have been increased, and due to this, such people are getting sick frequently. If frequency of becoming sick is to be lowered, people should follow a right lifestyle. It must include a sufficient sleep, right food, yoga sanas, pranayam, and physical exercise. Physical exercise should also be as per one's capacity. Pranayam and yoga sanas should be performed under the expert supervision. See the videos of pranayam and yoga sanas. Do you know, students? Government of India declared the Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Yojana on 1st of July 2015. In this scheme, best quality medicines are made available in affordable prices to the citizens. Jan Aushadhi stores are launched for this purpose. Indian companies export the generic medicines on large scale. However, those medicines are sold under brand name with high prices in India. In America, 80% medicines used are generic. Due to this, hundreds of billions of money is saved there.